खुलुमबायखा ताखुक ते बुकुक सं ताइलाम सगो आनि o channel फाइदि जों तिनि नालिनाय गताल जब नोटिफिकेशन फाइमानि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉलेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर त्रिपुरानि इंगै गताल कायसा जब नोटिफिकेशन फाइदि जों नालिनाय eligible candidates are invited to appear for work interview for the following to be held in the Department of Horticulture, College of Agriculture, Tripura at 12 am under the DBT funded project entitled Management of Fusarium Wealth in Anyar Banana. O job ni bagai post ni bumung angka Professional 1 tai vacancy tongo kainei tai o post ni bagai eligibility angka Graduate in Agriculture tai desirable rejangnai experience in pathology and biotechnological work higher qualification will give preference jara bishi kebang qualification ganang borongno preference bishi rejangnai tai o post ni bagai age angka minimum 20 years maximum 37 years tai relaxation in case of SC, ST, OBC as per government norms. Tai post ni bagai date interview ongkha 23rd July 2021. Tai salary rejangnai 20,000 tai plus 8% HRA. Ta kaisa job post ni bumung ongkha project assistant tai vacancy tongo kaisa tai post ni bagai eligibility ingkha BSc in Bioscience, Agriculture, Horticulture. Desirable rejangnai experience in laboratory and field activities. Tai post ni bagai age ingna nangnai minimum 20 tai maximum 37 years. Tai relaxation rejangnai in case of ST, SC, OBC as per government norms. Tai boni bagai same no interview date 23rd July 2021 tai post ni bagai 15,000 per month salary rejangnai aboni pore bongni kaisa terms and condition tongo obongkha the appointment will be purely on contract basis and the incumbent shall not have any claim for regular appointment borok oro saoje o job ongkha purely contract basis tai norok uldogo kuno regular khaine bagai sanmung tongi mangala aboni pore cheng nalinai if the candidate does not perform duties as desired by the authority PI has right to terminate the candidates without any notice before tenure tai oro borok haibo saoje jara kahamke duty khaya borok no je kuno shomoyo terminate khaimano o job ni bagai aboni pore shikha however the appointment is extendable subject to performance and is coterminous with the duration of the project borok oro saoje jara ni performance kaham bornotebo extend khaijangnai o job ni bagai and interview will be conducted offline within state and online outside state mode jara state tongnai rok borongno offline na jangnai tai outside the state borongno online na jangnai tai oro seoje in case of YP1 and project assistant biodata may be sent at least 4 days prior to date of interview via email borok oro saoje noni biodata send khaidi at least interview ni 4 days ni sekhang boni email address angkha sukhenchandroda@gmail.com spelling angkha SUKHENCHANDRADA@gmail.com tai kaisa email address tongo obongkha catagartala@gmail.com spelling angkha CATAGARTALA@gmail.com only selected candidates will be called for interview jara select khaijangnai borno shimno interview ni bagi borok call khainai aboni pore shikha je the undersigned reserves the rights to cancel postpone the interview without assigning any reason borok oro sawaje boni o job notification anytime borok cancel khaimono ba postpone khaimono without any reason takokte bokok song ashokno borok o job notification o seyo belekeno kaham jara agriculture tei porijagroni bagai ang khayo norok daktino apply khaidi o job ni bagai te all the best for this job tini bagai ashokno khulumbai kha